In this session, I'm going to discuss with you Databricks IQ. This is a powered data intelligence engine for the lakehouse. A complete executive and technical overview. What is Databricks IQ? The context-aware intelligence engine. Databricks IQ is not a standalone chatbot. It is a compound AI system embedded across the entire Databricks data intelligence platform. By combining advanced large language models with deep enterprise context, it turns natural language into a highly accurate SQL, PySpark, and pipeline logic. Why standard AI models fail? So number one is zero internal knowledge. Public LLMs, they don't know your custom schemas, column names, or proprietary business logic. Second is hallucinated queries. Generic AI generates syntactically valid code, but they fails against your actual database. But lack of business context. So public LLMs, they can't interpret company specific acronyms or metric definitions. And what is the architecture, how Databricks IQ works? The core signals means one is Unity catalog, second query and usage history, third is pipeline context. The schemas, table definitions, column descriptions, data lineage and semantic, they all maintain in Unity catalog. Coming to the point number 2, past SQL queries, frequent join patterns, execution metrics and user behavior. It maintains query and usage history. Pipeline context, data transformation, notebooks, active dashboards, ETL jobs and documentation. What is the result? It is a domain-specific intelligence. By unifying metadata, runtime context, and user history, Databricks IQ generates code and answers specifically tailored to your organization's unique environment. So coming to the capabilities, the core capabilities of powered by Databricks IQ. One is Databricks Assistant. The pairs with engineers inside SQL editor and notebooks to write, debug and optimize PySpark and SQL code in real time. Databricks Genie is a natural language BI enabling business users to ask conversational questions and get instant SQL backed charts. So what is automated governance? Automatically generates table, column descriptions and identifies PI data and enhances Unity catalog, search relevance. These are the core capabilities of Databricks IQ. What is the governance? Enterprise security and privacy commitment. So governance means strict permission boundaries. Databricks IQ strictly enforces Unity catalog access control lists, and users can only generate queries or retrieve insights from data they already have explicit access to view. And zero data leakage means your private enterprise metadata schemas and the query logs, they are never used to train public base LLMs or shared across tenants. Enterprise compliance, fully compliant with SOC 2, HIPAA and GDPR standards and operating strictly inside your secure cloud premier. Summary means transforming the lakehouse into an intelligent system. Smarter queries, deep metadata integration, it ensures accurate code generation without hallucination. And democratized analytics enables business users to query data conversationally via Databricks Genie. High productivity, it saves hours of manual coding, debugging and metadata documentation for data engineers. The enterprise guide, it built natively inside Unity catalog with strict security and privacy guarantees. Thank you.